Pandas index column title or name. How do I get the index column name in Python Pandas? Here's an example data frame. What I'm trying to do is get /set the data frame index title. Here is what I tried. Anyone know how to do this?
You can just git /set the index via its name property.
You can use rename_access for removing set to none. The new functionality works well in method chains. You can also rename column names with parameter access. From version Pandas 0.24.0 plus is possible use parameter index and columns. Removing index and columns names means set it to none. If multi-index and index only. Removing index and columns names means set it to none. For multi-index and index and columns is necessary working with .names instead .name and set by list or tuples. Plural is necessary for check/set values. Removing index and columns names means set it to none. and a Jeff solution.
df.index.name should do the trick. Python has a dir function that lets you query object attributes. Dir df.index was helpful here.
Use df.index.rename foo, in place equals true, to set the index name. Seems this API is available since Pandas 0.13.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.